Hey everyone, and welcome back to a new tutorial using the Riviera palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I got so many requests to do another tutorial using the palette, so I thought I would use it again and create something a little bit softer. So now that I have my base on my lid already, I'm gonna go in with a bright purple shade from the palette called Can. And I'm gonna apply this with a small little blending brush into my crease and the outer corners of my lid. I like to use a smaller brush because I have more control of where the shadow is going, and this one really is my favorite. It is the small pencil brush from Nabla Cosmetics. Next, we're gonna go in with this super bright neon pink eyeshadow called Bahamas, and we're gonna apply this just above the purple eyeshadow that we just applied to blend that color out and get a softer transition. And to do this, I'm using a brush that's a little bit bigger and softer. Then for the lower lash line, I'm going to use the same shadows. So here I'm first applying the purple shade close to my lash line, and then I'm blending it out with the neon pink eyeshadow again. Now for the actual lid, I'm first going to apply one of the metallic liquid shadows in Pink Champagne from Huda Beauty as a base to make the shadows pop a little bit more. And then I'm gonna mix the metallic pink and the metallic gold shade together to create a nice peachy shade. And then I'm just gonna press that shade on top of the liquid shadow. For the inner corners, you could apply the golden shade, but I really wanted to incorporate the blue, so I decided to add that. But if you want something a little bit more wearable, I would probably go with the gold. At this point, I felt like I was missing a little bit of orange, so I'm gonna shade just a little bit and add the Euphoric shade from the Colourpop through my eyes palette just in the crease. If you're more fair, you could probably get away with using the shade Coastline from the Riviera palette, but it's a little bit too light for me, so that's why I shaded. Anyways, next up, I'm gonna do a thin liner using the Fenty Flyliner in the shade Cause I'm Black. And for the waterline, I'm gonna use two of the Marc Jacobs gel eyeliners in the shade Grapevine and Odyssey. I'm applying Grapevine into the outer half, and then I'm adding Odyssey on the inner half. The last step is just to apply mascara and lashes, and I am using the Jennifer Lopez X Inglot Mascara. And for lashes, I'm applying the Russian Blue Lash from Feline Lashes, and that is it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!